Hey guys, Lvad there here. I remember when I had the Lvad, I couldn't get wet or be in the rain or in the pool. Now that I have a transplant, it is slightly raining, and I think I'm gonna test it out. I think I'm gonna take off my hoodie and I'm gonna test it out. Right now it's very light rain, so I'm gonna try the light rain out, and you guys will be able to see that. And then when it gets heavy rain, I will also do heavy rain. So it'll kind of be like levels to the rain. So Lvad versus the rain, episode 1. Here we go. Okay guys, I am really going for this. I'm liking this. All right. Yep. I'm really going for this. We're gonna go by the flowers first. As you can see, I am taking in the earth. The first time in the first time in 3 years since I felt rain, guys. Since I felt rain. It's the little things in life that are the big things. A lot of people run from rain. I'm taking it in. To finish this off, my kind neighbor has like a little waterfall, and I am definitely going to, you guys can see. Yep. I'm definitely going through that. I deserve that. That was amazing. That was fantastic. I am going in the house now.